Lies out in the water, no fear whatsoever. There are people on the beach today. Lots of people, not as many people in the water, but there are people on the beach. There's a little bit of oil. A lot less than yesterday. I'm thinking somebody came out and cleaned up today. But he's enjoying the waves. He enjoys his boogie board. Big boy Jacob up in the condo. Well, come on down. Now he's mad at the waves. I don't really see any oil in the water. Oh, here comes a big wave and it's going to whack him. It's going to whack him. It's going to whack him. Whoa! He did pretty good. I'll pull people out of the water than in the water. Yesterday we didn't even get out in it. And there's Aunt Celia. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? There she is. Oh, she's gonna bait. She wants to bait. Here comes a big one. Come down. Come down. Trying to motion for him to come down because the tide keeps pulling him down. The current though. I don't want him to tumble